In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put images next to each other in Carrd. Whether you're creating a portfolio, a photo gallery, or simply want to enhance your website's aesthetics, placing images side by side can make a huge difference. Let's walk through the steps to achieve this seamlessly and in under 5 minutes. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Carrd website. If you're not already familiar with Carrd, it's a simple and intuitive platform for building responsive one-page websites. Once you're there, log into your account, and let's dive into the editor to start crafting your layout. Now, in the Carrd editor, you'll see a range of options along the side. Click on the plus, which stands for Add Element. From the pop-up menu, select the option for Container. The container is a crucial part of this process as it will allow us to create a structured layout for our images. After you've added the container, you should see it appear on your canvas. Next, let's customize this container. Select the newly added container, and you'll notice its Properties panel appear, probably on the side or at the bottom depending on your screen setup. In this Properties panel, there's an option that says Type. Click on that, and change its setting from the default to columns. By doing this, we're telling the container to organize its content into multiple columns. Usually, it defaults to creating 2 columns, but you can adjust this later if needed. Now that our container is set to columns, it's time to add your images. Click once more on the plus inside one of the newly created columns. This prompts you to add element again, and this time, we are selecting Image. Browse your files and upload your desired image. Make sure it's cropped and ready to go because this will be the image that presents on your web page. Once you've added your first image, it's just about repeating the process. Move over to the other column and click on the plus once again. Add another image element and upload your next image. You can continue to add more images if you adjust the number of columns in your container settings. And there you have it. You've just placed images side by side using Carrd's intuitive layout tools. This method not only helps in organizing images, but also enhances the visual appeal of your page by giving it a clean and professional look. Remember, you can always go back and tweak the number of columns or adjust image sizes to suit your design needs. As you become more confident with these tools, try experimenting with different layouts and styles to really make your page pop. That's it for today. Enjoy enhancing your Carrd website with beautifully arranged images. Until next time, happy designing.